Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see 3D in Google Maps. So at first, just go to the Google Maps app and make sure the app is updated. Now here you can see there is a upper side icon. Just click on this icon here, the white one. After clicking it, here you can see the map type here is default. Click on the satellite option here, the middle one. After clicking it, here you can see the scenery is changed. Now just select a place that you want to see in 3D and click on it like this. After clicking it, here you can see in the left bottom side here there is an image. Just click on it. After clicking it, here you can see the 3D view here. Now you can just see the scenery here, just like going back, in front of you, right and left side. So guys, that's how you can see 3D in Google Maps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.